Shall I ask some abacus questions?
Yes.
Okay. 1
1
plus 3
plus 3
minus 4.
minus 2.
That is
Answer 0.
good. 2
Plus 2
minus 2
minus 2
plus 1.
plus 1.
That is
Answer 1.
good. 1
Plus 1
minus 1
minus 1
plus 3.
plus 3.
That is
Answer 3.
good. 2
Plus 2
minus 2
minus 2
plus 3.
plus 3.
That is
Answer 3.
good. 4
Plus 4
minus 2
minus 2
plus 1.
plus 1.
That is
Answer 1. Answer is 3.
good. Say thank you, ma'am.